Hello there, welcome. This is Abdimalik and I'm going to quickly show you how you can add any of your Aputure devices to the Sidus Link app as long as your device supports the Sidus Link app. First things first, make sure that your device is plugged into power and turned on, and then go ahead and download the Sidus Link app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. The process for this should be pretty much the same whether you're on iOS or Android. Once you download the app, go ahead and open the Sidus Link app on your phone or on your iPad or on your tablet, whatever device you're using. Once you open the app, you should see this scenes and then demo scene and then scene 1, 2, 3. But for some reason, if you're not seeing this, it's okay, don't worry. Touch the 3 lines on the top left corner and then you should be able to see this. And then under workspace, you are going to select the first option, which is lighting control system. Once you touch that, you should be able to get to the scenes page that says demo scene and then scene 1, 2, 3. It will list a bunch of scenes. In this case, we're going to choose scene 1, but really you can select any of the other scenes. It doesn't really matter. The process is pretty much the same. On the top right corner, you should be able to see a green plus sign. What you want to do is touch that green plus sign. That will take you to the add fixtures page. And on this page, you get 2 options, new fixtures or add wireless devices. In our case, we are going to be adding a new fixture. Once you select new fixtures, you should be able to see your device here. If your device supports the Sidus Link and if your device is already powered on, you should be able to see this. But for some reason, if you are not seeing your device here, you might have to do other troubleshooting, but in this video we are just going to assume that you can see your device. In my case, I'm trying to add the Aputure Lightstorm 300X. It's shown here and it's ready to be paired, so I'm going to just select that, and then on the bottom you will see setup. Touch that and then it will start the process. Just let it do its thing, and then once it's done, it will say pairing successful. And then you can just touch OK, and you, my friend, you're good to go. And then you will be taken back to whatever scene that you selected, and then you will see your device there. And I can see the Lightstorm 300X, and then it also shows that it's AC powered. If your device supports the use of battery, then you should be able to see what it's powered by. You can just touch on your device and you will be taken to the control page of your device. As you can see, the Aputure Lightstorm 300X is added. By touching the different dimming curves, you can see the change on the screen. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment saying this video helped you, or if it did not help you, please leave a comment, because I want to improve my videos, and the only way I can do that is by getting you guys feedback. Okay, I appreciate you all. Take care.